Okay, today we are talking about repairing a urinal with a weak flush. So today we're working on an American Standard urinal. Has a royal flush valve. The complaint was it has a weak flush. So first we'll shut off the water, unscrew this cap, use a flathead screwdriver and tighten the screw. So turn it to the right. That should shut off the water if that shut-off valve is still good. Next, I like to unscrew the handle assembly. There'll be a little water comes out. So we'll inspect everything. Also makes it easier to remove this cover to access the diaphragm. If you have trouble removing this top cover, remove the handle assembly first. Makes it easier to get this top cover off. Set it aside. Then remove this top plastic cover. You need that, don't forget it. Inspect it, make sure it's not damaged or cracked. There's our diaphragm and valve assembly. Note the green color on the valve. The valves come in different colors for different gallon per flush ratings. And you can't interchange a urinal valve with a water closet valve or vice versa. There's your vacuum breaker down in there. So upon closer inspection, you can see this diaphragm has had it. It's ripped and rotten away. Needs to be replaced.
Wow.
And again, you can see the green colored valve. There's a handle assembly. This one is stiff, so I'll be replacing it. So we're using a Sloan R1004, an R1004-A rebuild kit. Here's a parts breakdown, instructions how to install it. Pretty straightforward. You want to note, you don't want to use any pipe dope or Teflon tape on any of your connections. All the connections have gaskets or rubber O-rings that make the watertight seal. I'm going to be using this ADA compliant B73A Sloan handle assembly. And B50A is the handle repair kit if you don't want to replace the entire handle. Here's our new diaphragm and valve assembly. And there's a vacuum breaker. Not worried about replacing that today. Old one still works fine. Again, it comes with the handle repair kit as well. So we'll go ahead and install our new diaphragm and valve assembly. Replace our plastic cap on top. Then replace the decorative top cap. Careful not to cross thread it. And again, just nice and snug, hand tight, should be all you need to do. And that's it. Same with the handle assembly here. Careful not to pinch your gasket. Careful not to cross thread. I'm going to try to do this one-handed while I'm filming. And same thing here. Just tighten it up, hand tight, all the way nice and snug. If you feel you need to use a wrench, use a smooth jaw pipe wrench or a smooth jaw pair of channel locks. Do not over tighten them. And that's it. So that's what a smooth jaw channel locks look like. You can see I'm checking it and it's good and tight. I'm not going to tighten that down anymore. I'm going to turn the water back on slowly. And then we'll check the operation of the urinal. You turn the screw to the left to turn the water on. Now we have a nice normal flush. If the flush was weak, you can open that valve some more with your screwdriver. If it's too strong, you can close the valve with your screwdriver and replace the decorative cap. I hope this video helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.